So today's video is going to be what we did Easter weekend. Most of the clips are probably going to be from Saturday, because we did a lot more on Saturday than we did Sunday actually. Sunday we just kind of like hung out, you know, had our breakfast, played outside with some of her toys. We had a visit from my mother-in-law. She was outside our big bay window, that way she could see, that way she could see Adriana. Yeah, so we just kind of relaxed the rest of the day. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Cover them up so you don't see beyond the mask. My world's a dying star. Falling for you has buried me in smoke and ash. In smoke and ash. Take me through the ending of the story. I'll see you in the morning when I wake. Save me from the storm inside my bones. The fear of living on my own. I'm all I wear 1,000 scars. Cover them up so you don't see beyond the mask. My world's a dying star. Falling for you has buried me in smoke and ash. In smoke and ash. Take me through the ending of the story. I'll see you in the morning when I wake. Save me from the storm inside my bones. The fear of living on my own. I'm all alone. Take me through the ending of the story. I'll see you in the morning when I wake. Save me from the storm inside my bones. The fear of living on my own. I'm all alone.
My phone lights up, but it's never you. I can't help but feel so lonely. I know there's things that I can't undo. I'm falling apart so slowly. We come alive when we're faded. The summer nights that we're chasing. Want this feeling to last forever, forever. I know it's hard for you to stay, but I can make it another day without you, without you.
happy Easter. Today is Easter Sunday. So far this morning we had our brunch. We did a little egg hunt outside. It was super cute. My husband did take a video, but I didn't because I was carrying the little bucket for Adriana. And then they all played outside. So yeah, we are going to make some cookies now for everyone. We are making these. They're the Pillsbury Funfetti sugar cookie mix with candy bits. And I want to use some spring cutouts. So in order to make this the kind you need to roll out, you have to add 2 tablespoons of flour. That way it's more of the dough that you can roll out and use cutters for. All right, so let's make cookies.
Cover them up so you don't see beyond the mask. My world's a dying star. Falling for you has buried me in smoke and ash. In smoke and ash. Take me to the ending of the story. I'll see you in the morning when I wake. Save me from the storm inside my bones. The fear of living on my own. I'm all I wear 1,000 scars. Cover them up so you don't see beyond the mask. My world's a dying star. Falling for you has buried me in smoke and ash. In smoke and ash. Take me to the ending of the story. I'll see you in the morning when I wake. Save me from the storm inside my bones. The fear of living on my own. I'm all alone. Take me to the ending of the story. I'll see you in the morning when I wake. Save me from the storm inside my bones. The fear of living on my own. I'm all alone.
My phone lights up, but it's never you. I can't help but feel so lonely. I know there's things that I can't undo. I'm falling apart so slowly. We come alive when we're faded. The summer nights that we're chasing. Want this feeling to last forever, forever. I know it's hard for you to stay, but I can make it another day without you, without you. but feel so lonely. I know there's things that I can't undo. I'm falling apart so slowly. We come alive when we're faded. The summer nights that we're chasing. Want this feeling to last forever, forever. I know it's hard for you to stay, but I can make it another day without you.
Alright, so we're working on decorating some of the cookies. Made the bunnies, and I used the Betty Crocker cookie icing. You would really have to like knead it to get it to be a little bit softer, and then you just use a Q-tip to flatten everything out because you use a lot of icing.